Hey guys, and welcome to Think Diecast. Today we are going to talk about Hot Wheels ID cars. Hot Wheels have recently started adding these ID cars to the normal mainline cases. So these ID cars are less in numbers as compared to Treasure Hunt, but yes, more in numbers as compared to a Super Treasure Hunt. So let's see these cars. The first one is Night Shifter. If you see, the car is totally different as compared to a mainline car. It's totally white card with Hot Wheels ID written on it. If you see the bottom of the car, it has the ID chip to it. Spectra Flame paint on it. Many new collectors will ask me, what is the use of this ID chip? Basically, Hot Wheels ID has a game available on both Google Play and Apple Store. So once you get this car, you just have to scan the ID chip on the game and you can use this particular car for the race. I will show you one more car. This one is Bone Shaker. Again, it has ID chip at the bottom. Spectra Flame paint. Again, same way, you can scan the ID chip and this Bone Shaker will come on the app and you can use it to race the other cars. The next one is this Time Taxi. Got ID chip at the bottom. So right now, these three ID cars are found in India. Hopefully more will be coming maybe end of this year or maybe next year. We will soon get to find more. I want to show you two more ID cars which are not released in India. This one. This I got it from US. It's a Jurassic Park Jeep. It has this beautiful box packing to it. Let's open it up. Nice detailing. With Hot Wheels ID chip at the bottom. Let me show you one more. I really like this one. It's a Lamborghini Miura. Golden color. Beautiful shiny golden color. Hot Wheels ID written on it, and the chip at the bottom. In US, these boxed ID cars are normally in the range of 6.99 USD. And in India, these ID cars are again for 120 rupees, same as the mainline cars. So next time when you're searching for Treasure Hunt or Super Treasure Hunt, don't forget to search for these ID cars as well. Next, I will tell you how to download the Hot Wheels ID car game on your mobile and how you can scan it and use these cars for different races. Have a look. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Think Diecast. Have a nice day.